What's going on, guys? It's your boy PieMatt7 here. We are here unboxing my new gaming computer, man, and this new fucking, what is this shit? A monitor. It's a Ryzen 3 something Cyberlink. We got the new monitor. This is what they use in Call of Duty World League. Upgrading from this piece of shit to this is a big upgrade, okay? Look at the fucking thing, dude. Like, the screen will rip itself off if I try to close it. Look at that, bro. But yeah, upgrading from this to this will be definitely some helpful shit. So yo, goddamn, let's just unbox it. Alright, so yo, here's the PC. It's on its side. Why did I do that? I don't fucking know what all this shit is, man. Yo, how's the back look? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good game.
Bitch is ready to kill, yeah. My niggas, they ready to drill, yeah.
But yo, look at this, man. It's pretty clean. Let me set this shit up. Yo, gonna take the TV down. Gonna put it down somewhere over there. We're gonna get right. Is this shit upside down? Hold up. Oh no.
We at the police. Pussy that nigga that he don't know me. I shoot a bitch ass nigga that he can't hold me. I already know you pussy bitch done told me.
God damn, this shit bright. Look at the Endeavor. That shit looks so crisp. Hold on, let me show y'all my laptop. Look at the Endeavor on here, the laptop. Now, if we go over here. Bro, look at the difference.
Good God, that shit is beautiful, man.
When I was on my other computer, man, it would take time just to open this. We're gonna do a little test and see if it can run, you know, some games on high FPS. So, yo, we'll be back. I don't really have too many Steam games, so I went back to my OG days, back when I used to play Counter-Strike. But yo, on Counter-Strike, we were getting a good amount of frames on Counter-Strike. We were getting about 100 flat, which I'm never used to, okay? I came from this piece of shit where it could barely run Counter-Strike at 20 frames to see that shit go at 100, pretty fire shit. I still fucking enjoy Counter-Strike to this day. It's one of my favorite games. And yeah, I had fun. And I was lagging like shit. So I went to go play Stick Fight, the game. We were getting about 60 frames flat. It was kind of fun playing this shit without lagging. Nothing out of the ordinary. Still good enough to, you know, play the game or anything. Still had some fun on this game. I fucking died spawning in, but you know, I guess that's just what happens. Now back to another OG game I used to play when I was younger. Garry's Mod was actually kicking at 120 frames. For some reason, the frame counter didn't come up. I've never actually in my life played Garry's Mod on an actual good FPS. On my old laptop, it would lag like shit. I had a little fun killing the goddamn people from Half-Life. And yeah, I guess it runs up to standards. I don't really have too many games that are up to date, I would say. Yo, all the games ran at a pretty good frame rate. Nothing out of the ordinary. Grading from this piece of shit to this, where I can actually get on the program, run Adobe Premiere, run Photoshop, run games in Steam, and actually have a good time is definitely worth the purchase, lads. But yo, I hope you boys enjoyed the video, man. I am so fucking happy that I actually got an actual good computer. I hope you boys enjoyed the video. Drop a like on this shit. I'll see you niggas in the next one. Also, thank you guys for 4,000 subscribers. I won't be doing a Q&A this time, but we'll be making another Discord just for you guys to, you know, chit chat about your lives and shit. I'll see you niggas later, man. Peace.